Now here you see the male part of the electrical union. Let us now find a partner for it to join. A little device here. We now discover an outlet, and we put the male. The attachment of the electrical device, the male part from the vacuum, into the wall outlet was successful. Connubial bliss. And now let's go confident that our machine will have power. Let's begin, shall we? Please note how I've held the cord thus to keep it clear. Now we're ready to proceed to the central rug. Notice the smooth tassels and so forth by the technique. Well, see how easy it is, folks. It's really not intimidating.